Hello everyone, welcome back to Art Brigade YouTube channel. In today's video, I come up with yet another beautiful texture abstract art with silver leaves. For this painting, I am using shades of green. Here I am mixing turquoise green and grey. Mix both these colors well without any direction. Fill up all the spaces of the canvas. I am reusing my old canvas for this painting. Next, I am using phthalo turquoise. It's a shade of green. I am using small flat brush for making the shades. Now I am using a palette knife and making textures. In this painting, I will show you different type of textures using the palette knife. Try to take a good consistency acrylic paint to get textures like this. Thicker the consistency, textures will be more visible. Next, I am using aqua green for the next layer. I let the canvas completely dry before applying this texture and shades. Here I am making white texture strokes. For getting wider strokes, take more paint on the palette knife. Then it will be more visible and looks good. Next I am using phthalo green. It is a darker shades of sap green. Just making a very narrow strokes. Repeating the same process for the next layer. I want to see different shades of green more visible, so I'm trying to add each shade layer by layer. I'm choosing a pattern to show up the colors differently. Here I am making smaller strokes like bricks, but at the top I made wider strokes. I am adding a white, titanium white for mixing those layers finally. For the bottom part of the canvas, I will add silver leaves. So I just applied turquoise green color to make the silver leaf more visible and shiny. Blending those two shades, make your own abstract designs. This is up to you because I'm making something similar to a sea wave illustration of a sea. Next, I'm going to apply gold leaf adhesive. Apply the glue where you want to add the silver leaves. Once the glue is completely dry, apply silver leaves like this. Make sure the glue is completely dry before applying the silver leaves, otherwise shining of the leaves will fade. For the final touch, I am using turquoise green at the edges of the leaves to give the painting a finished look. adding paint on the silver leaves. This technique makes the paint indulge into the silver leaves and makes the painting unique. So my beautiful painting Shades of Green is now ready. You can see the strokes, different types of strokes, wider strokes, narrow strokes, and mix of silver leaves gives the painting more beautiful and unique. I hope you like the painting and my tutorial. So please share to your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel for more beautiful paintings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.